In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in WordPress, ensuring your site has the perfect look to match your style or brand. With WordPress, you have tremendous flexibility to customize and enhance the visual appeal of your website. Whether you're crafting a blog post or designing content for a web page, being able to adjust text color is a vital skill that can make a significant difference. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, locate the section on the left-hand menu bar labeled Posts. Clicking on it will show you all the posts you've created. You can also navigate to Pages if you're looking to change the text color on a specific page instead. Now, choose the post or page where you want to change the text color. When you click on it, you'll enter the WordPress editor, where you can make all necessary changes to your content. If you're using the classic editor, look for the toolbar on top of the editing space. If you don't see the second row of the toolbar, click on the Toolbar Toggle button. This looks like a small toolbar with dots above it. This will expand your options and show additional formatting features. For those using the block editor, which is now the standard in WordPress, locate the block where your text resides. You can do this by clicking directly on the text you wish to modify. Once highlighted, you'll see a menu pop up either at the top of your block or beside it. Within this menu, look for an icon labeled Text Color. It usually appears as the letter A with a colored line beneath it. Click on the text color icon, and you'll be presented with a color palette. Here, you can choose from standard colors provided by WordPress, or you can click on Custom to enter a specific hex code if you have one in mind. This feature is particularly useful if you're aligning the text color with your brand guidelines or website theme. Experiment with different shades until you find the one that fits your desired aesthetic. Once you've selected your color, preview your changes by clicking Preview. This step is crucial as it allows you to see how your new text color will appear to your visitors, ensuring it remains readable and visually appealing. If you're satisfied with the way it looks, go ahead and click Update or Publish to finalize your changes. And that's it. You've just successfully changed the text color in WordPress. Remember, the key to great design is consistency, so try to use a limited palette across your site to maintain a cohesive look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks to enhance your WordPress experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!